This video introduces how to configure the application filtering function on the Ruijie 1600Z S-Series cloud-managed firewall to restrict Internet users from accessing specific applications. The following describes how to configure application filtering to meet a networking requirement. The enterprise Internet is connected to the Internet through a firewall. The administrator wants to achieve the following effects. Allow employees to access the Internet. Prohibit employees from accessing Amazon. Prohibit employees from accessing Test App. Before configuring application filtering, complete basic Internet access configuration according to network planning and activate the application identification signature library, which is not demonstrated in this video. On the Advanced Settings tab page, select the application identification mode. In this example, dynamic identification is selected. Access the Security Policy Configuration page. Click Create. Read the displayed prompt message and select to add this policy directly to the security policy list or to the simulation space. In this example, this policy is directly to the security policy list. Enter the security policy name Policy 1. A policy is enabled by default. If a policy is disabled, it does not take effect. Select a policy group. You can add multiple policies to a policy group to facilitate management. Set the policy position. The closer a policy is to the top, the higher its priority in matching. The source address, destination address, service, and application are packet matching conditions. Packets that meet the matching conditions are processed based on the action set in the policy. In this example, set SRC, security zone/interface to trust, SRC, address to the address that corresponds to the employee network segment. And dest, security zone/interface to untrust. Set action option to permit. Use the default configuration for the other parameters. After verifying the configuration, click Save. Click Create to create a security policy. Enter the security policy name Policy 2. Select a policy group. Set the location of Policy 2 before Policy 1 to ensure that Policy 2 has a higher priority in traffic matching. Set SRC, security zone interface to trust, SRC, address to the address that corresponds to the employee network segment, and dest, security zone interface to untrust. Click the app box, enter Amazon for search, and select Amazon. Enter Test App for search. No result is found. Click Add Custom App to create a custom application and then select the application. Set action option to deny. Use the default configuration for the other parameters. After verifying the configuration, click Save. Each time an employee accesses Amazon or Test App, the hit count of security policy increases by 1. On the session log page, check the blocking status of relevant applications. Thank you for watching.